General knowledge questions on world geography. First question, which of the following is the largest lake in the world? Answer is Caspian Sea. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Answer is Superior. Which is the deepest lake in the world? Answer is Baikal. Which is the world's most saline lake? Answer is Vaughan Lake. Which is the lowest lake above sea level? Answer is Dead Sea. Which is the highest boating lake? Answer is Titicaca. Which is the world's largest saltwater lake? Answer is Caspian Sea. Which is the highest navigable lake in the world? Answer is Titicaca. Which of the following pair of countries is on the bank of the Aral Sea? Answer is Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Which of the 5 districts included in the Lake State of America are located in the United States? Answer is Michigan. Which of the following touches the border of Iran? Answer is Caspian Sea. Which of the following is known as the Pearl of Siberia? Answer is Lake Baikal. Which country does not share its border with Caspian Lake? Answer is Ukraine. In which of the following country is Stanley Sep Nam Lake is located? Answer is Cambodia. Which is the deepest place on the earth? Answer is the Dead Sea. Where is the most famous Angulumuma Lake area located? Answer is United States of America. Where is the Lake Titicaca located? Answer is Bolivia and Peru. Which of the following lake is called Honeymoon Lake? Answer is Titicaca. Which is the largest lake in the world in terms of area and volume? Answer is Caspian Sea. Which one of the following lakes forms the international border between Tanzania and Uganda? Answer is Victoria. Where is the Caspian Sea located? Between Russia and Iran. Which of the following lake is a saltwater lake? Answer is Baikal Sea. In the middle of the African countries is Lake Victoria situated? Answer is Tanzania, Uganda and Kenya. Which of the following country is called the land of 1000 districts? Answer is Finland. Which one of the following lakes is located on the equator in the continent of Africa? Answer is Trust. In which country is the world's largest saltwater lake, Van Lake, located? Answer is Turkey. Which of the following is the ocean that is grounded? Answer is Aral Sea. Which is the largest lake in the continent of Africa? Answer is Victoria. In the intertidal zone of Eurasia, there are many seas and lakes between the lands. Which of the following has contracted so much in the last few centuries that it has become a cause of environmental concern? Answer is Caspian Sea. Which of the following pair is incorrect? Onega, Australia. Which is the highest waterfall of the world? Answer is Angel. In which country the world's highest waterfall located? Answer is Venezuela. On which river is Angel Falls situated? Answer is Caroni. On which river is the Bioma Falls situated? Answer is Jare. On which river is Stanley Falls situated? Answer is Congo. On which river the Niagara Falls is situated? Answer is St. Lawrence. Victoria Falls is related to which river? Answer is Zambezi. In which country is Niagara Falls located? Answer is USA. Niagara Falls is situated on the border of, answer is USA and Canada. When was the Suez Canal completed? Answer is 1869. What is the length of Suez Canal? Answer is 168 km. Suez Canal connect which of the following? Answer is from Huron to Superior. Which canal join the Baltic Sea with the North Sea? Answer is Kiel. In which of the following countries is the Kra Canal located? Answer is Thailand. Who proposed the idea of digging a canal across the Panama Strait? Answer is Humboldt. With the opening of the Suez Canal, the route of sea voyage was shortened between which of the following? Answer is London to Chennai. Panama Canal is different from Suez Canal because it has lock system. In which year was Panama Canal built? Answer 1914. Which port is situated at the northern end of the Panama Canal? Answer Cologne. Which port is situated at the southern end of the Panama Canal? Answer is Panama.